Why young women prefer older men? If you are curious to understand why so many young women are interested in and fall in love with older men, then this video is for you. There is a negative perception surrounding the idea that people get involved in relationships with people of different ages, when young women who date older men are often labeled as only interested in their money. On the other hand, older men who date young women are often considered idiots, believing that they are only sponsoring the desire of young women. We cannot forget what society thinks about older women who have relationships with younger men. However, there is nothing wrong with being in a relationship with someone who is not the same age as you. Everyone should have the freedom to love whoever makes them happy, regardless of what society thinks in. Reason number one: older men make younger women feel more desirable. There's nothing wrong with wanting to feel that your partner considers you the most desirable woman in the world. Older men have the ability to make women feel this way. They see young women as incredibly attractive because their attributes reflect energy and vitality, which is often a notable advantage over more mature women. Older men truly appreciate and are captivated by the characteristics of young women, which makes them feel even more loved and desired. Number 2. Older men have the ability to please a woman very well due to their vast experience. They tend to be less anxious during intimate moments, which result in more pleasurable experiences for their partners. Undoubtedly, they have a deep understanding of what women want and know their own bodies thoroughly. They understand how women like to be touched and identify the points on which they should focus their attention to provide greater pleasure. They are more loving, sincere, and experienced, which means they know exactly how to make a woman feel special and loved. Their ability to satisfy a woman goes beyond the physical. Older men also understand the importance of emotional connection and are able to offer not only physical pleasure but also soul emotional support. This combination of experience, attention to their partner, desires, and a deeper connection makes older men excellent at making a woman feel valued, desired, and special in all aspects of relationships. So, this is yet another reason why young women are attracted to older men because they know they are in capable hands that can provide a fulfilling and emotionally enriching intimate experience. Number 3. Older men know what they want and are remarkably clear about what they want in relationship and in intimacy. Their vast experience gives them a deep understanding of how women think and react in different situations, especially when it comes to what they want in bed. This differs considerably from younger men who have less experience. The older man brings with him the confidence that only time can provide, allowing him to be a skilled partner in both the emotional and physical aspects. He has the ability to support his partner in a complete way, understanding her desires and needs. This makes women feel understood and valued, strengthening their attraction to older men who show a genuine commitment to satisfying both the emotional and physical aspects of a relationship. Thanks for watching, like, share, comment, subscribe the channel.